for your Husker to run well, it's important that the roll gap be set properly. Here's how you set the roll gap. First, loosen these two bolts on each bearing. And then go to the other side and loosen those two as well. I already have these two loose, so we're going to back this screw off, the tensioning screw, and then do the same one on the other side. Just like that. And that will allow the roll to move freely. It'll pivot side to side. These center two rolls are fixed, and either roll on the sides can pivot if you loosen them. Each roll should be gapped to about a 32nd of an inch, which can be either like a piece of cardstock like this, or a business card or credit card. You should be able to slide it in between the two rolls freely. So to set the gap, we're going to move this screw, which will start pivoting the roll closer. So we look on top, you'll see that that's been moved in closer. And we'll get it so that it just starts to get tight on that piece of cardboard. Just like that. Then we come to the other side and do the same thing. So the other side may be a little trickier to get the cardboard in between. But the idea is you get that so that the cardboard is just starting to feel snug against the two rolls. Then you want to tighten these two bolts down again and make sure the jam nut is tight against the screw so it doesn't back out. And once you do that for all the rolls, the gap will be set properly. All right.